Hi to all my YouTubers, my technicals. This is my first video, my first of 3 videos. Okay, we're gonna do a pressure wash cleaning using my brand new dewalt pressure washer. Okay, so I'm showing you, this is the before video. Alright, all this needs to be cleaned. This is my before video showing all here needs to be cleaned. And here's my little dog, Lily. Okay, showing all here has to be cleaned today. All here has to be cleaned today, inclusive of this walls. Alright, the front of the house. Alright, so this is just the before video, and here is the toy, my dewalt, my brand new dewalt washer. So this is my review of this dewalt 3000 psi pressure washer.